All right, everybody, we're at the Atoll Électronique room. Right now, we're gonna enter the room and we have a gentleman named Mario Gagnon, who is the owner of the company, who's going to give us a little bit of a lowdown in terms of what equipment is being demonstrated here today.
So actually, we're playing a brand new product. It's a Canadian premiere. The company is called Final Audio. The products are designed and made in Netherlands. There's a few unique things about the product, like instead of using Mylar, they're using a new product called NeoTex.
So this is an electrostatic speaker.
Electrostatic speaker, designed and made in Netherlands.
Okay.
This is connected to the Atoll Électronique French streamer DAC amplifier. So this is a fairly new product. It's been shown here in Toronto for the first time. Was introduced at the Montreal Video Show.
Right.
So this is the perfect match for these speakers, which by the way are not very critical in terms of amplifier. Any good amplifier that support 4 ohms will work very well with these speakers.
So they're not that finicky. They're not that fussy.
Yep.
I noticed that there is a little USB key in there.
Yep.
Is that where the music is actually streaming from?
Not actually, because the devices have front USB and also rear USB.
Okay.
So actually, we're playing the hard drive.
Oh, I see. Okay.
But we like the fact that there's a front USB too. That's very convenient when you have a friend coming in with music. You don't have to go back and say, oh, I need more lights.
Right. You don't have to reach around in the back and play around and mess things up.
Yeah.
Okay.
Here we have Merging technology product, but we're not listening to it actually because the hotel couldn't supply wired internet and Wi-Fi is unreliable.
Right.
So we decided not to play it.
Okay.
But Merging Technology is a Swiss company. The company founder is named Claude Cellier. He was working for Nagara previously and he's decided to start his own company. So the company is called Merging Technology. They're doing high-end recording studio equipment, but they also decided to introduce consumer products, which are the real high-end product, named Merging+NADAC. NADAC stands for Network Attached Digital Analog Converter. So here we have what we call the player, who can stream music. It's compatible with Rode. In fact, it was designed to use with Rode. And here we have the power supply. This is an option.
So this is the power supply for this device here, for this
Yes.
device that you just introduced.
This is an optional power supply.
Okay.
And here we have the optional clock. If you look at the picture on the classical recording music, you'll find out that a lot of sound engineers are using this clock because it's really, really accurate. After that, we have other product on the other side.
Oh, let's have a look if you wouldn't mind.
Sure.
Excellent. All right.
So we have the rest. Actually, there's 34 products available from Atoll. They have preamplifier, they have streamer with built-in amplifier, they have CD player, power amp, and DACs also.
So the full range.
Yep, full range of product. All the products are available in black or silver, and all the products are handmade in France. All the products are using big transformer, a lot of filtering capacitor, high quality audio capacitors, and so on. The company has been in business for over 30 years too. They're available around the world, India, China, Germany, and so on.
I know that Atoll is very highly acclaimed.
Yes, definitely. And here we have another product called Davis Acoustics. It's another French company. This company is not that known in North America, but very well known in China, in India, and all the European countries. This company was founded over 30 years ago again, and when they started, they were only doing components like woofer, mid-range, and tweeters.
Right.
Their components are so good that they're used in high-quality speaker like NBL, Acapella, and even Goldman are using some of their components. So what you see here is totally designed and built by Davis Acoustics, including the cabinets and the crossover.
It's a very beautiful looking speaker.
Yeah, that's why we choose it for the show, because we find it very appealing. So
I like the sloping baffle design as well.
yeah, the sloping design, all the speakers that has the sloping design are called the Corbett series. So they have, if you look at the banner here, they have the Corbett 3. What you see here is the Corbett 5 in gray. And they also have the Corbett 7 that is right over here. This is the Corbett 7. This is the second biggest enclosure. We then brought the Corbett 8 because the room is too small to bring the whole line of product. And here there's a model that you didn't see on the banner. It was introduced later. It's called the Corbett 4. It's a small bookshelf.
Small bookshelf, you mean a small floor mount, floor stand?
Sorry, a small floor stand.
Right.
Sorry.
That has the upper the upper portion is basically like a bookshelf.
Yeah, sorry about that.
That's quite all right, no worries.
And I forgot to mention also that we're using Atohm Cable. So Atohm is a manufacturer of speaker, but they're also doing their own wires. So they have interconnect wire and they have speaker wire. They're all pure copper, silver plated. And they also have their own connectors, which are real high quality connectors.
Excellent. So that's what you're using all the way through all these systems here.
Yes, that's right.
Very nice. Just get in on that. Perfect. Thanks very much.
You're more than welcome.
That's a great synopsis of what you have in here.
Yep.
Mario, I really appreciate your time.
Appreciate you.
I really enjoyed speaking with you today as well.
It was a pleasure.
Pleasure to meet you. Very nice. Excellent. Very nice. If you wouldn't mind, you as well. What I'd like to get from you actually is excellent. Thanks so much once again.
You're more than welcome.
Let's have a little closer look at the fine speakers.
So it's very rigid cabinet. The crossover frequency is very low also. So that way you want to take the audible range. And that's for the show. Because we ordered many. This pair I received it, but it was already sold before I got it. This is the exact. Yeah, they said an hybrid in fact. It's also available without the subwoofer. Subwoofer is very well integrated. Yeah, so there's many reasons. First, it's a seal enclosure.